Welcome to Batman's Nature Minute. Today, we're gonna talk about the penguin. The penguin's a jerk, and he likes umbrellas way too much. What? We're not talking about that penguin? I'm freaking Batman. What other penguin would I be talking about? Fine. Alright, so apparently we're not talking about that penguin. Actual penguins can live between 15 and 20 years. Penguins like to eat rocks. It's not because they're stupid, which they are. It's because scientists think the rocks make them heavier so they can dive down deeper in the water. Or it might also help them grind up food in their stomachs. Penguins are one of the only animals that are able to drink salt water. They're able to do this because they filter the salt out of their blood and excrete it through their bills. Penguins could dive underwater between 10 and 15 minutes. I could stay underwater longer than that because I'm Batman. This has been Batman's Nature Minute. Batman out.